Hello and welcome to NetVital channel. Today I want to show you how we can install an application for Android device in Intune. Okay, we open Intune Manager and we go to application and we can choose iOS or Android. For today I want to show you for Android. We can click on add. Okay, here we need some information. We can get this information from Google Play. We need some information for import this application to Intune. First of all, we need URL, we need name, we need description, we need publisher. We can take every information from Google Play and just copy and paste. This is for description. And name of publisher. It's here. Just copy and paste. And click on next. Here we need to assign to a group. And that's it. For checking way back to application on Android, you can see application is here and it will install very shortly to all your device. Please subscribe and join, and thank you and have a good day.